Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are really going to cover the last topic of our chapter 1, which is the palisade mesophyll cells. And it's been a long chapter, but it's been a fun chapter as well because we have completed the basics of biology, cell particularly. And in this particular cell that we're going to talk about is the palisade mesophyll cell that is present in a plant. So we'll go for the structure first, and I'm going to make the transfer section of a palisade mesophyll cell. But before that, we'll know that where it is present. It is present in the leaf, and it is mainly responsible for the photosynthesis. How it is responsible and how it is on the basis of its structure, we're gonna know it as well. So first of all, let's make it. So first, you're gonna see this upper layer is epidermis, okay, and then you see these palisade cells right here. Yeah, here you go with the palisade cells, and then you see the mesophyll, spongy mesophyll with the air spaces out there, okay, and then you'll see again one more layer of lower epidermis and upper epidermis. You see the guard cells. So this is like a visual that you should know about it. Let's just label it as, so this is lower epidermis, right? This is your upper epidermis, right? And then you get your spongy mesophyll. Again, we're not talking about spongy, we're talking about these palisade, okay, and these are guard, or you can guard cells, or stomata, okay, which we are not going to talk today about, but we're going to talk about the palisade mesophyll cells. Now, where are they present? They're present below the upper epidermis cell. We know its structure now, and if it comes in the paper, we are easily able to identify where it is present, right? And now, what is the function of the palisade mesophyll cells? So one of these function of palisade mesophyll cells, you can say it is that it has chloroplast, okay, and we all have learned that what chloroplast does. Chloroplast is actually responsible for the photosynthesis, and this cell itself has the highest number of chloroplasts. What it has highest number of what? Chloroplast, okay. So it means it has the highest tendency to do photosynthesis. While if we talk about the chloroplasts are also present in the spongy mesophyll and the guard cells, but it is like more present in where? It's more present in palisade, ठीक है. अब हमारे पास palisade जो है, it actually makes food, ठीक है, it makes food for entire plant, ठीक है. It makes food for entire plant, ठीक है. वाई सो? बिकॉज जो स्पंजी होते हैं, जो हमारे पास mesophyll cells होते हैं, these stomata, they do not share the food that they make, they consume it themselves, ठीक है. So that's why, and the location is what? Location is beneath the upper epidermis, ठीक है. And to maximize कि हमारे पास क्या हो जाए, absorption हमारे पास ज़्यादा हो जाए किस चीज़ की, वो हमारे पास sunlight की and photosynthesis की. That's why they are like present beneath the upper epidermis, ठीक है. और नॉट डायरेक्टली ऊपर है बिकॉज उनको हीट कैचअप कर जाएगी, ठीक है. देन वी शुड नो दैट दे आर क्लोजली पैक्ड so they can accommodate high number of, ठीक है, high number of sunlight, ठीक है. जिससे क्या होगा, हमारे पास फोटोसिंथेसिस जो हो जाएगी हमारे पास इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, ठीक है. आई होप दिस इज़ क्लियर. अब नाउ हमारे पास हमें ये चीज़ पता है, इट हैज़ हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट, मतलब अबंडेंट क्वांटिटी के अंदर है. इट हैज़ स्पेशल एबिलिटी, ठीक है. अब इसके पास एक स्पेशल एबिलिटी होती है, ठीक है. हमारे पास क्या होता है, इट हैज़ दिस स्पेशल इनकी एबिलिटी होती है कि दे मूव अकॉर्डिंग टू लाइट, दे मूव अकॉर्डिंग टू लाइट, ठीक है, विच मीन्स जहाँ लाइट होगी वहाँ पे इनकी प्लेसमेंट ये शिफ्ट होना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे, विच इज़ कॉल्ड फोटोटेक्सिस। ठीक है, दैट यू शुड नो। इनके पास एक स्पेशल एबिलिटी होती है कि दे कैन gather themselves in one area where the light is coming from, which is called phototaxis, ताकि वो ज़्यादा लाइट को क्या कर पाए, एब्जॉर्ब कर पाए, ज़्यादा नंबर ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस हो पाए। ठीक है, उसके साथ साथ हमारे पास जो सैप वैक्यूल, अगर पहले से म्यूजिकल सेल की एक पिक्चर डायग्राम ले लें, यू सी दिस this is the vacuole, and then you see these are chloroplast, and many chloroplast with the nucleus as well. अब यहाँ पे जो सैप वैक्यूल होता है ना, so we should know the sap vacuole pushes chloroplast close to cell wall, so as if light comes, अगर light आती है, ठीक है, it could be absorbed readily। ठीक है, मतलब वो आराम से हमारे पास क्या हो सकती है, हमारे पास एब्जॉर्ब हो जाए। ठीक है, हमारे पास ऐसे होता है। तो दैट इज़ ऑल अबाउट बेलिसेड मेसोफिल सेल, दैट इज़ इन योर सिलेबस एज पर दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर। ठीक है, इट इज़ लोकेटेड बीनीथ द अपर एपिडर्मिसल। ठीक है, दे आर हाईली कॉम्पैक्टेड। ठीक है, ताकि वो ज़्यादा नंबर ऑफ सनलाइट जो है वो प्रोड्यूस कर पाए, मतलब हमारे पास एब्जॉर्ब कर पाए, विच इज़ बिकॉज दे हैव दिस स्पेशल एबिलिटी ऑफ फोटोटेक्सिस दैट वी लर्न अबाउट. It has the highest number of chloroplasts, and which means it makes the food for the entire single plant. ठीक है, and one last thing that we learned is that its sap vacuole pushes the chloroplast to the cell wall, so more light can be absorbed. ठीक है, ताकि हमारे पास ज़्यादा photosynthesis हो पाए। ठीक है, so this was the basics of the chapter photosynthesis as well, and here we complete the photosynthesis a bit of process, and here we complete the specialized cells, the entire specialized cells that we have learned. We have covered from ciliated cells to RBCs to neurons to sperm cells to ovum to specialized cells of root hair cell. We have already also covered the xylem and phloem, and here we covered the palisade mesophyll cells as well. ठीक है, so I hope this is quite clear to you guys. If you guys have any questions, you guys can ask me in the comment sections, and I'll let you know your queries answered. Thank you.